Hey guys, welcome to another video of Microsoft Office tutorials. In this video we are going to discuss and learn AND function with multiple examples. AND function is basically a logical function of Microsoft Excel that returns or gives result as true if all arguments of this function are true or correct. Otherwise it will give result as false. For example, here we have values 1, 2 and 3 and here we use AND function. Inside this AND function we use first logical test or first argument that this cell is equal to 1 comma second argument that this cell n2 is equal to 2 comma third argument that this cell n3 is equal to 3 bracket close. Now we have been written here three arguments. If all these three arguments will be correct, the result of AND function will be true, otherwise it will be false. When I will press enter, the result is true. Why? Because all these three arguments are true. But if I will change the value from any of these cells, maybe I will change here 4, result will be false because now one of these arguments is not correct, that is n3 is equal to 3. This argument is not correct, therefore AND function is showing a result as false. So means if any of the arguments is not correct, AND function will show result as false, otherwise it will show result as true. So here we have a table with the name of different students and result of 3 papers for each of these students, and we want to know that which student is pass and which student is not pass. Here we have passing criteria. Student pass in all papers will be considered as pass only. So means any student that will has pass in all 3 cells of result showing cells will be considered as pass. So now using AND function, how we can know that which of these student is pass and which of these student is not pass? What we will do, we will use here AND function and we will give 3 arguments to AND function. The first argument that this cell is equal to pass, comma second argument this cell is equal to pass, again invert comma, the third argument this cell is equal to pass, close bracket. One thing that you need to remember, whenever you will write text inside AND function, you need to write in inverted commas or in quotation marks, otherwise this function will show you error. So if we say indirectly, we have been written same statement that if this student will be pass in all 3 subjects, here will be true. Now you can see this student is pass, yes, true, means this student is pass. Why? Because in all these 3 cells there is pass, but when, just let me show you, when I will drag it down, here is false. Why? Because here one of these cells has failed, so means one of these 3 arguments is not correct, that is E6 is equal to pass. This argument is not correct, therefore it is showing result as false. So let me drag it down and I will just use conditional formatting to show you. So result of AND function for these 2 students and these students is also true because they are pass in all subjects. Now we want to know which student got grade A. Here is condition for grade A. Student fully passed with marks equal to or greater than 240 will be awarded grade A. So means any student that will have here true, that means he or she is fully passed, and here marks are equal to or greater than 240 will be awarded grade A. So here means he should have marks equal to or greater than 240 and true. So what we will do, we will use here AND function. First argument that this cell should be greater than or equal to this value, that is 240. Insert comma the second condition or second argument, this cell should be equal to this, that is should be equal to true. So we will close bracket, we will press enter. Here you can see this is true, means this student got grade A. Why? Because he is fully passed and he got marks equal to or greater than 240. So what we will do, just let me lock these cells so that when we will drag it down, these cells don't come down. So here you can see this student got grade A, this student got grade A, because here is also these 2 conditions meet, and here because here marks are not equal to or greater than 240, so means here is false, he or she don't get grade A. So friends, that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to give thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon button. Share this knowledge also with your friends. If you don't understand anything, please comment in below section. I will answer all of your questions. And at last, thanks for watching. Bye bye.